Understanding Watch Holiday Movies, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often pops up during festive seasons: watch holiday movies. This seemingly simple phrase holds a treasure trove of cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's break it down together, so you can not only understand it but also use it confidently in your conversations. When we say, watch holiday movies, we're referring to the activity of viewing films that are themed around a specific holiday or festive season. These movies are usually meant to evoke the spirit of the holiday, be it Christmas, Halloween, Easter, or any other celebrated time of the year. Holiday movies often feature stories of love, friendship, giving, adventure, and magic that are related to the holiday in question. Holiday movies are incredibly popular for several reasons. Firstly, they create a sense of nostalgia and tradition. Many families and friends make it a tradition to watch certain holiday movies together, year after year. Secondly, these movies spread holiday cheer and warmth, often reminding us of the importance of kindness, generosity, and gratitude. Lastly, holiday movies provide a fantastic way to learn about different cultures and their holiday traditions, making them not only entertaining but also educational. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. Christmas movies. Classics like Home Alone or It's a Wonderful Life are all about the Christmas spirit, featuring themes of family, miracles, and holiday magic. Halloween movies. Films like Hocus Pocus or The Nightmare Before Christmas explore themes of adventure, the supernatural, and the fun of Halloween. Easter movies. Movies such as Hop or Peter Rabbit often focus on themes of rebirth, adventure, and the joy of spring. Now, let's put our phrase into action. You can say, every December, my family and I watch holiday movies together. Or, do you want to come over and watch holiday movies this weekend? This phrase is versatile and can be adapted to any holiday context you're referring to. We hope this exploration of watch holiday movies has not only enriched your understanding of the phrase but also sparked excitement to participate in this enjoyable activity. Whether you're watching to learn about holiday traditions, improve your English, or simply to enjoy some festive cheer, holiday movies offer something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find joy in your holiday movie watching adventures.